We have our first van build renovation client, Elice, coming back so we can work on her rooftop deck and install a roof fan. Can anyone else say that their van slash home also doubles as a work truck? That's a 12-foot board right there. So now we're in a Home Depot parking lot because apparently every neighbor hates us and threatened to call the cops on us if we work on any more vans in their neighborhood. So hopefully we don't get in trouble at Home Depot. Loaded our client's van up with all the wood and tools. Not the best work conditions. Take a look at it. Yay! Tell us. Oh, I'm glad you love it. From a rust-damaged roof to a ceiling fan and a beautiful roof deck. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us any questions in the comments below.